Modifying a UL-listed sign without the original manufacturer's consent or approval can void the UL listing. Modifications may affect the safety or performance of the sign. If your company modifies a UL-listed sign, you should firstly contact the original manufacturer and obtain their written approval. Secondly, follow the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines for modifications. Thirdly, maintain a record of all modifications, including before and after photos. As an electrical inspector, my approach to the inspection of listed signs varies depending on several factors. For new installations, specifically listed signs installed by a UL shop, I would generally verify that the sign was installed according to the manufacturer's instructions and that there were no obvious modifications. For listed signs installed by a non-UL shop, I would perform a more thorough inspection, including checking for any deviations from the manufacturer's specifications and any potential safety hazards. For existing installations, specifically listed signs serviced by your company, I would primarily focus on the field hookup and any modifications or repairs made since the original installation. For listed signs serviced by a different company, I would perform a general inspection, including a visual examination of the sign for any obvious non-compliances. I would prioritize signs that appear to have significant issues. In general, I would not open up a listed sign for inspection unless I had a specific reason to suspect that there was a problem with the internal wiring or components. Opening the sign could damage it or void its UL listing. However, if I observed any suspicious signs of non-compliance, such as loose or missing hardware, exposed wires, damaged or missing components, or unauthorized modifications, I would then consider opening the sign for a more thorough inspection. Ultimately, the scope and depth of my inspection will depend on the specific circumstances and the potential risks associated with the sign.